welcome back to my Morning Report analysis videos on Tuesday 14th of February with me, Rich Pro Market Analyst at Ansett Markets. Let's look at cable, and cable has been impacted today by this inflation data that came in lower than expected, which was a surprise, and considering that you tend to see the trend of upside surprises in inflation at the moment, the disappointment certainly has hit cable by around about 50 ticks. Now, what has that impacted on the daily chart? Nothing really yet. It's still in this sort of consolidation mode, really, above 24.30 and below 26 figure, really. I mean, momentum indicators mildly sort of moving lower. 50 on the RSI, MACD line is just ticking slightly lower, stochastics slightly lower. I mean, you're not really sort of backing any real sort of directional move on this, and personally I think that the headline miss on the CPI and also the core CPI actually missed, but those two I think are balanced to a certain extent, and I think ultimately the market will sort of start to settle because of the huge increase in the input prices for the PPI, which suggests inflation is coming. That's a given down the line. So it's I think it's going to be a settling move, and I don't think it's necessarily going to continue to really trend lower and sharply decline. But obviously we've got Yellen this afternoon. That's going to be a big impact on cable. But for now, certainly the outlook has changed. In the early doors today, it looked like it was improving, pushing towards the highs, but obviously it's flipped on that inflation data, and we're back lower again. So let's see how this one goes. I think it's likely to still settle around that sort of 24.30 level, or find support above that. Maybe Yellen would change that outlook if she goes hawkish, and that would drive a break of the support. But still, 24.30 is a key level I think the market is still looking out for. That was basically the low the other day, 24.36. And is also this breakout level from sort of late December, early Jan, the resistance. So that's become a pivot line. So that is a key level I think the market is looking out for. But below 24.30, you're looking at this intraday low of 23.45 being the next test. So wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.